How to fix Ticketmaster verification code not sending. So one of the first things you can do is to check or confirm that your contact information is correct. So check that the phone number or email address displayed on your Ticketmaster is correct. So you're gonna include the paper country code when entering a mobile number, since Ticketmaster doesn't support some VoLP numbers, including Google Voice, for account verification. You can also go ahead and try requesting a new code depending on what verification code you're going for. If you're verifying your account, you should be able to easily get for your email, but for your number, it does take some time. But you can go ahead and request a new code on the verification screen, select request a new code, and use only the newest code, since previously requested codes may expire or stop working. You can also try refreshing the page before entering the replacement code. You can also try just doing the process in your phone or on the same device you are using that number. So make sure you're using the device with the actual SIM or number to pretty much just make it more direct in some cases. Also, make sure you check your phone and email settings, turn off your airplane mode if it is turned on, and these two options over here, your DND and your mute, make sure these are toggled off as well. When traveling, and if it is included in your plan, you can go ahead and make sure you have your roaming enabled. So it's usually just found in your device settings, your mobile networks, then data roaming. Of course, make sure that is turned on. Mine is on never, since I'm not traveling, but make sure it is toggled on. One last thing you can try is to restart and refresh your connection or request another code. So go ahead and toggle your phone restart option or reboot option, and make sure you don't have any VPNs on, any kind of proxy or Apple private relay service. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it's just your connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi as well, and close extra Ticketmaster tabs or sessions if you have those in your browser, and if the account still cannot receive a code, especially when the number is shown is outdated. One last thing you can do is to contact Ticketmaster or just their support for account assistance. You should be able to find it in their browser or the app. But hopefully this video helps. Hopefully one of these options do, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.